how to transfer all data from old phone to new Samsung phone. So yeah guys, so let's start the video. So how you can do that guys? So first of all, you need to open smart search, and on both phones found in settings. Once you go to settings, tap on the accounts and backup. Once you tap on the account and backup, it will bring data from all device. Now you will tap on receipt, send receipt on your old phone, and send tap on send data on the new phone. uh, Tap receive data and select Galaxy Android. Once you do this, after that it will connect, tap wireless on both devices, then transfer, tap on transfer, select the data you want, and after that move and tap transfer. After sometimes data will be transferred from old phone into new phone. So yeah guys, this is how you can do it. If this video was helpful for you guys, so please like and subscribe for more videos. See you guys in the next video. Bye.